Hi, I am Dr. Catherine Benoit and I'm delighted to introduce you to the course Social Responsibility in Product Supply Chains. It's a course where we delve into the social impact side of sustainability. I've been working on social responsibility measurement and management for 15 years. I work with the UN, several research organizations, consultancies, and multi-stakeholder initiatives. I am an author of several publications that serves as a catalyst for a field called social life cycle assessment, a parallel technique to environmental life cycle assessment. I'm so grateful to have for teaching assistant for this course, Lina Azuero. She graduated from the Extension School Environmental Management Program a few years ago, and she is a supply chain social and environmental responsibility manager at Dell. Lina and I are grateful to be teaching this course because we're committed to contribute to bring positive change in the world. And what better ways than to be working with students and empower you to be effective agents of change. The topic is of prime importance currently because there's a new regulatory framework where understanding and actively managing supply chain social impact is no longer optional. And this affects firms of all sizes in every country of the planet. It also affects cities, universities, and government, where as purchasers, they are encouraged to set a higher bar and add requirements about human rights and social impacts. And this happens here at Harvard, where the Harvard Sustainability Office is working at setting requirements on social impacts this year. So what is this course all about? This course is about raising awareness. There are a lot of humans in the world whose rights are not being respected. Children that are forced to work, workers who have to put their health at risk, families not able to afford nutritious foods. And these humans are all part of supply chains. There are also different ways to promote human well-being. Brands and suppliers have specific responsibilities and challenges, and we are exploring those in the course. There are about two main dimensions to this course. Roughly the first half of the semesters aim to raise awareness and develop critical thinking regarding social issues, the policy framework, and effective management of social impacts, as well as verification. Students get also to build experience and effectiveness in working in a multi-stakeholder setting. The second half of the semester is about becoming competent practitioners of social life cycle assessment. Social LCA is a technique used to calculate products and organizations' social footprint and handprints from raw material extraction to the end of life. It helps to identify what are the social hotspots, the salient issues, and also to develop a management plan. Social LCA can serve as a critical tool for human rights due diligence. For content delivery, the class will use lots of awesome reading, lectures, discussions, presentation by great guest speakers, and at the conclusion of the course, presentations by you, the students. We have two graded projects in this course. One project, which is the midterm project, where students work in a multi-stakeholder initiative to identify the salient risk related to a commodity. And our final project is about for each student to conduct a social life cycle assessment on a product of their choice using a professional life cycle assessment software, CIMAPRO, and a social impact database, the Social Hotspot Database. It can be a product related to your work or not, and you are supported to calculate a social footprint, identify hotspots, identify some positive impacts, and plan for follow-ups. The first homework that is required by the end of the first week is to send us a personal introduction with a picture optionally on a PowerPoint slide so that we can get to meet you and tailor the content of this course. We are so excited to meet you. Be part of the solution. Welcome to this course.